People are probably wondering, what types of images can you enhance?
Right. Okay. At the very top level, there are two types. The first is the real-time imagery, and we work really primarily with full color imagery. There is some talk of possibly going towards multispectral imaging in the future, but right now, focus is real color, full color, RGB imagery. And we can work on that, enhance it in real time by either embedding the technology in existing hardware, or ultimately we'll be producing specific cameras and other devices that have the technology built in. So that's real-time imagery processing and enhancement. And that would work, for instance, ideally with drones that have to navigate all kinds of terrains in all kinds of weather conditions. And similarly, ultimately, although slightly at a tangent, it'll also be useful for self-driving vehicles in the near future. So that's one side. Then we got on the other side, you got the post-processing aspect of image processing, which means that whether the image you want to work with was taken a second ago or 60, 50, 40 years ago, that's all fine with Spacevee. We can also process that to see better through the whatever weather conditions existed in that imagery capture. Or even beyond, if it's a clear imagery but you want to see deeper into maybe into the ground or something like that, if it's possible, and if the information is there somehow, we'll be able to extract that additional set of details as well.